You're going to tell us where we are. Where are we, Josh?
We're at Shearwater. International Airshow.
What are you waiting in line to do?
To go on the tanks. It's a really army thing to do, and I'm not army.
Of you getting in a tank.
Have fun.
How was it?
I'm gonna have to fix my boot now.
Let's see, what's wrong with your boot?
Somebody went airborne and landed on it.
Oh! Do you guys have a good time?
Yeah.
You're not converting to Army cadets or anything, are you?
No. They
Good,
told
good,
us
good.
they were trying to get airborne.
Oh.